To enable and use glide typing in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to scroll all the way down and click on Additional Settings. Here we need to find Languages and Input, manage keyboards, and click on Gboard. Finally, right here you'll be able to find glide typing and you can turn it on and off. When it's on, let me show you how to use it. So we need to open our keyboard first, obviously, and then we can type in any word using glide typing. Let's say I want to write the Redmi. So we need to click and hold on the starting letter and then just move around without letting go of the screen to other letters in that word. So we're gonna go for REDMI. Okay, it didn't work this time. Didn't work this time as well, but it detects Redmi for some reason. So depending on the word complexity, this should work fine. So we can try something else like a dog. And as you can see, it works fine. So that's how you can use it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.